going to attempt to restore these cast iron. Start me a fire. Put some fat ladder in there so it can burn good. Get these pallets, they burn real good. Take these right here. Lay them on the fire. I like to take some of this cooking spray right here. It'll cook it too. Get some cooking spray, regular cooking spray. Be careful so it won't blow back up in your face. The hotter to get it, the more it'll start getting that rust and stuff moving. I'm about to get me a microphone so y'all can hear me good. We got to restore this cast iron. Look at that, the color already coming back. You see that? Once it heats up, start looking good. Get it real hot. This right here is good burning wood. These pallets that people throwing away, business throwing away, they give them away. Go get you some of these that burn real good. Make good firewood. It gets real hot too. I like to keep it around the house. So anytime I want a fire to be real hot, I just get me a couple pieces of these from business. They giving away old pallets and stuff. A lot of people make deer blinds. You make good deer blinds out of them too. But I don't care nothing about that. We're talking about this right now. Make sure you got it covered where everything can get heated. And just let it get real hot till it start like it's restoring. Once it's finished, you got to have something to pull it off so you can scrub it. Y'all hear my chickens, don't you? What I'm gonna be using is it's called a scoring stick. I hope you can see that real good. See that? You can buy it anywhere. I'm gonna use this to scrub the rust. And it's good for let's say it removes deep stains, hard water rings, rust and paint, and carbon buildups. I don't need your help telling me about my video. That's how you want it done, like that. Now look, now you can't just pick it up. You're gonna burn your hand. You got to have something that's gonna take it out the fire so you can put it over here so you can scrub it. It's really good now. When they get hot, they get hot. So now that it's turning real dark, you don't want to leave it there too long. You got to be careful. Should have got the right stick. I ain't get the right stick. Oh well. You can have you a bucket of water, you can stick them in there. I don't want to get too hot. For the start off, see that? It's already beginning to look good right there. This pot holder, done burnt the holder, and that's how hot it is. See how burnt? And you just start scrubbing. Ooh. Looking good, see that? I'll do one of them and I'll show you the results of it as I finish the other one. Even begin to show you the number on it, a number 8. See number 8 on there? Before I finish with it, when I finish with it, this joke is hot. You gotta let these cast irons calm down, cool off. Cause I'm telling you, these jokers will burn you. They'll burn you now. And what you want to do is get the first layer off the pot. Because you're going to spray it again and put it back on the fire. I'm going to spray it with some oil the next time. I'm using steel wood right now. Then I'm coming back with the other. Let me see the writing. I hope y'all can see this. Yeah. Because what I'm going to do, later I'm going to spray some oil on it. And you're going to be able to see when I put it back in the fire, all this going to come off, rusting off. Just got to get the first layer off. I had one of those wire brushes. I could do it like that too. Get to think to pick one up. I might have one laying around the house, but too lazy to stop what I'm doing right now to do that. I hope y'all can see how this is coming about. Now for take the brick. That's nice. Let me show you something. Watch this spot right here when I finish with this brick. Nice little thing to get. I actually need another one from somewhere. I go purchase one because this won't be enough to do it. But you're gonna see what I made by this. But it'll get the job done. Sorry for the sound. Some of you can't stand that sound. But you see what I'm getting? See how that rust begin to move? The more you do it, the better it looks. You can spray some oil in it. Come back over it. See? Getting better and better. The more you spend time with it, the better you want it to come out. Is how much time you're willing to put in it. Look at there. Spray this, and I will come back to show you the finished result of this. But it's gonna be restored back to the original state. Well, almost, not completely, but I'll be back with the finished results. Thank you.